I've just popped into the unit today. I'm not staying long, flying visit. I've just come to pick up some bits. So, yeah, I've come and got the tripod, some electrical stuff, petrol can was already in the car, a bit of PTFE tape, and a battery. So they are they're going in the car, and I'm heading off to my friend's, Plumber James, as he seems to be now known on the channel. And we're going to go and start up his engine. So he's got a freshly rebuilt, just standard 998. So yeah, it's time to start it up now. So his shower's in the same state as mine, so it's not going in the car for a while. So we're going to just chuck this lot in here and start it up on the floor, and hopefully it doesn't go bang. So yeah, I'm actually not sorry that I'm not staying here today, because in a field just over the other side of the hedge over there, there's some big piles of steaming shit. It stinks. So yeah, also my car's filthy. Sorry Stuart if you're watching this. I haven't dared message you and show you this. So if you're watching, I'm sorry. So yeah, let's load this in the car, head down to my friend's place, and show you his Mini, and we'll start that engine up.
For 1 mile.
Shut up. Autos, aren't they fun? Private road, by the way, guys, so yay, that's good. So yeah, we'll be there in 45 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so we've arrived at James's. He's got the engine out here, ready to go. It looks so good. It looks so good. Yeah, it's given me inspiration to start on mine very soon, I think. Also, cute dog, Mitch, is posing. Look how cute he is! He's so cute. So yeah, here's the...
Found this.
You found that. Nice.
I don't want that on that one.
Yeah, you probably do hope so. So yeah, here's his Mini. It's a what, James?
1988 50 City.
There you go. It's in a similar state to mine. Maybe not quite as bad as mine, actually.
It's got some bad welding on it.
Did you do a bad weld, James?
Yes.
You're hiding that? Okay.
I'm ashamed.
So yeah, I mean, in some places it's worse than...
Flintstone spec floor.
Yeah, mine doesn't quite have Flintstone spec floor. I mean, it's bad, but not quite that bad.
And a grass box on the back.
But yeah, I mean, like, the cross member isn't absolutely rotten like mine is. It's got 3 subframe. That's... And yeah, okay, you can stop posing now. So yeah, it's a bit of a state, but he's not touched it for a year really, because it's been broken.
I built that.
But he built this instead, yeah, exactly. So hopefully we'll get that. You need to fix that. It's a bit scrappy.
It needs a new one.
It needs a new one, definitely. So yeah, we'll go get some bits out of my car that we brought. I showed you before.
Generator.
We don't need the generator. And fire it up. Genuine K&N, look at that. So yeah, let's see what we can do, see if we can fire this up. Okay, so we've got it all rigged up. We've got a can of fuel there, and we've got a wire from the battery to the coil, a wire from the coil negative to the condenser coming out of the Dizzy, a negative jump lead to the block, and a positive jump lead to the starter solenoid. So then you just bridge out the screwdriver and it turns over. Simple! So yeah, I'll pop you guys on a tripod and we'll try and start it.
engine's rolling then. It is a little bit.
Okay, so it's getting dark.
What,
Got the Mini on the drive, piece of wood behind the wheel because the handbrake is that terrible. Yeah, we are just putting new Jubilee clips on and stuff, well, proper fuel hose clips, but the reason we had to go out, we went to ASK to get some more because we had no more Jubilee clips, because I think that wasn't a tight fit on there. And it was just sucking in air, so it wasn't getting the fuel through. So we're hoping that's the problem, but otherwise we'll stick on the spare pump as well.
where's the filter?
Where's the filter? I've seen it on the engine. Here. There you go, there's a filter. So, yeah, we're just rigging it up and hopefully it'll run this time. Okay, take 849. Let's, yeah, get the battery and go again. Right, let's have another attempt.
Why did that nearly
It
coughed?
it did a try. Okay.
Do it again. Why did it ran?
It did. It tried. And it failed.
Shall we try and what shall we do? Do a little bit more time in different.
I'd leave the time and it sounds alright when it rang before.
My oil pipe leaking into my oil. I've burnt more than my oil pipe.
No, let me try and give it a bit of a shot.
Oh, flames!
When you turn the choke off, it just dies.
Oh. Should we try again?
Let me just.
It is cold though, isn't it?
Go.
Oh, it smells nice. Yeah.
Yes, we've had it running.
Is it alright?
Good job.
My car, that sounds 10 times better than mine.
Oh!
You needed chalk, James.
It works.
We're amazed because he's actually built like this. So yeah, it runs and it runs well. So yeah, today's mission complete. Cheers for watching, guys. Bye.